Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create simple motion blur speed effect in Photoshop. Open your image in Photoshop, duplicate the image layer using Ctrl plus J, then select duplicate layer. Go to the filter, select blur. Now set angle according to direction, increase distance gradually, press OK, click add layer mask, select brush tool, use black color to hide blur from subject. Keep blur only in background, zoom in and refine edges. Reduce brush opacity for smooth blending. Check overall motion feel. Adjust blur amount if needed. Motion effect looks natural. Your design is complete in